Meet Kerem.
Hello, my name is Kerem, and I had an idea.
This is the story of how Kerem created something out of nothing. One day he was riding a bus and noticed that when the bus went fast, it created wind. And that wind, he thought,
Can be turned into energy.
yes, after lots of work and research, he invented a device that can make energy from the wind of the bus next to it. And energy from the heat of the sun above it.
100% green.
And 100% sustainable.
Because each of these devices for now can light up one full house in Turkey. But when millions of these are built around the world will be a better place to live in. That's why these are the ideas that we need to promote, and these are the people that we need to support.
That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.